Hello everyone! What you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics who are working right here in the shop with me, so relax. We're going to sort this out. If your Mazda 3 shows the message airbag system malfunction, the first thing is to take it seriously, but without panicking. The car isn't telling you that the airbags are about to deploy on their own. What it means is that the airbag system detected something that doesn't add up and, for safety reasons, it either shuts down or goes into fault mode. This system doesn't just control the steering wheel and dashboard airbags, it also includes the side airbags and the seatbelt pretensioners. So when something goes wrong, the warning shows up immediately. That's why many mechanics tell me the message appeared out of nowhere, even without any previous accidents or impacts. Now, the mechanics at this shop point to a very common cause: the connectors under the seats. Every time you move the seat forward or backward, those wires get stretched a little. Over time, one of them can become loose, dirty, or poorly connected, and the system interprets it as a serious failure. Many people fix the issue just by having the shop secure or adjust those connectors. Along the same lines, several users noticed the message showed up after moving the seat, cleaning the interior, or vacuuming underneath it. That reinforces the idea that it's not always a bad airbag, but often a simple connection issue that confuses the computer. Of course, it's not always that simple. In some cases, the problem really was an airbag sensor or the SRS control module. At that point, it's no longer a quick adjustment. It usually means replacing the part and reprogramming the system, something typically done at a dealership or a specialized shop. There are also drivers who say the message disappeared after turning the car off and back on, only to come back days later. That usually points to an intermittent fault. Good contact today, bad contact tomorrow. That's why mechanics recommend not ignoring it, even if the warning goes away on its own.